Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? So after a very long time, all crypto market is wake up and all currencies exchange occur. You can see my brother this time the positive, so it's a very good news. But Stellar XLM, one of the very good coin, my brother. You can see here the massive jump is coming soon, and also they take a very massive jump in the same time. So let's see, my brother, what's the price prediction, what's the technical analysis, and what's my opinion. Everything I will discuss you in this video. But kindly like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification. So the last 3 days chart is on the screen, and this chart, if you can see, my brother, take a very good jump now, my brother. But because if you can see, my brother, from previous days they fell down, so therefore you can see this 3 days chart. Otherwise, my friend, in last 1 day, my friend, they take a very good jump now. So if we check out the last 24-hour chart, then we understand, my brothers, to really this coin will move upward or not. Yes, my brother. You can see at this time the Stellar XLM holder, if you can see, my brother, just completely take a very huge jump now. But again, my friends, you can see here they fails down. So don't see this short fail. I am 100% sure to after this fail, they also take a very huge jump now, and they will change the all crypto market result, and they will give you a very good profit now. So Stellar XLM holder, try to understand to the good time is coming soon now, and they will give you very good profit if you hold the same time. So exactly they will make you millionaire now, my brother. So try to understand all holder, if you invest for a long time, exactly they cannot give you a profit now. So but if you have planned to invest for a short time, then definitely they will give you a very good profit now, and just in only in a short time. So it's mean, my brother, it's a priority for all coin, my brother. So you know, after a fails, every cryptocurrencies take a jump. So I am 100% sure, my brothers, to after this fails, they also take a very huge jump now. So if you know to after this fails they take a jump, so go now, invest now, and hold it and wait for a good time. Absolutely they will take a very huge jump now. So just only wait for the end of this month. I am 100% sure, my brothers, to if you wait for the end of this month, they will give you a very good profit now at the end of month. So thanks for watching, Stellar XLM holder. You need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for more this stuff. Latest update, ABS6 channel will update you. And this time, my brother, I'm sorry for I cannot update you the last 1 hour chart, if you can see, my brother. So I already see, my friend, the Twitter, Instagram, and my friends Google, there is not big update available. But in the last 1 hour update, you can see here the change occur is going to be negative. But don't see the short fails, my brother. You can see here after this short fails, they also take a very huge jump. You can see here on the screen. So it's mean, my brothers, to I hope in just in only in a 10 minutes the change occur will be positive now. So you need to hold and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching, XLM holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.